In the hallowed halls of justice, courtroom drama often unfolds with unexpected intensity. Judges, the arbiters of law, sometimes break the stoic facade to deliver scathing rebukes and sentences that leave everyone stunned. In this narrative, we delve into the riveting stories where judges, fed up with the antics before them, let loose their fury. 1. Camilla Gamet's courtroom condemnation. Camilla Gamet's trial unfolded as a haunting spectacle in the courtroom. Accused of murdering her boyfriend, the proceedings took a sinister turn when the judge, relentless in portraying the brutality of the crime, detailed how Gamet ruthlessly stabbed her partner, a shocking 12 times. Throughout the trial, Gamet maintained her innocence, vehemently denying any wrongdoing. As the judge vividly described the horrific act, Gamet's claims of innocence clashed with the stark reality of her actions. Frustration mounted, leading the judge to deliver a chilling statement expressing the desire that she die in prison. This moment encapsulated the gravity of Gamet's crime and the profound impact it had on the presiding judge. The courtroom became a stage for the clash between Gamet's defiance and the judge's unwavering pursuit of justice. The judge's stark condemnation, coupled with Gamet's lack of remorse, created a somber atmosphere, underscoring the severity of the crime and the emotional toll it took on those involved in the trial. 2. Ebony Brooks's contemptuous clash in court. Turning our attention to the next courtroom encounter, Ebony Brooks navigated the complexities of the justice system amid serious domestic abuse charges. The courtroom saga began with a judge setting a $7,500 cash or surety bond and a strict no-contact order with her grandfather, Cedric McCary. Undeterred, Brooks boldly declared her intent to return home, triggering the judge's swift contempt ruling. As Brooks persisted in her defiance, the judge, resolute in maintaining order, escalated consequences. The initial 90-day contempt sentence expanded to 120 days and further ballooned to an extraordinary 180 days. Brooks, defiant yet confined, became a symbol of resistance within the legal system. This courtroom drama showcased the relentless clash between an individual challenging the court's authority and the judiciary's commitment to decorum. The unfolding events underscored the delicate balance between justice and individual defiance, illuminating the intricate dynamics within the courtroom. 3. Darrell Brooks' disruptive trial after Waukesha parade attack. Moving on to a distinct legal confrontation, Darrell Brooks faced a tumultuous trial following the devastating Waukesha parade attack. Accused of killing 6 people and injuring 62, Brooks made the courtroom a stage for disruption. His incessant interruptions, confrontations with witnesses, and audacious comments, such as accusing the judge of judicial misconduct, turned the proceedings chaotic. The judge, determined to maintain order, repeatedly warned Brooks, threatening to remove him from the courtroom. Despite the warnings, Brooks persisted, continuously challenging the judge and the legal process. This disruptive behavior culminated in Brooks being eventually expelled from the court to continue proceedings in a neighboring courtroom. The courtroom drama surrounding Darrell Brooks showcased an unsettling clash between a defendant's disruptive conduct and the court's commitment to fair and orderly proceedings. The judge's actions underscored the challenges of navigating a trial amid heightened emotions and the pursuit of justice. 4. Tobias Roman's bizarre courtroom appearance. Shifting our focus to another courtroom spectacle, we delve into the peculiar case of Tobias Roman, also known as Giggles. Amidst the sequence of legal dramas, Roman, charged with stalking, stepped into the courtroom with an eccentric presence marked by unkempt tattoos, taped glasses, and sagging pants. In the midst of the trial, Roman's demeanor took an unsettling turn when he issued a direct threat to the presiding judge. The courtroom ambiance shifted dramatically as law enforcement promptly intervened to address the alarming statement. Roman's disruptive behavior showcased the unpredictable nature of courtrooms, where defendants occasionally veer away from conventional norms, posing challenges for legal professionals to maintain order. 5. Brian Naval's contemptuous response to sentencing. Now, let's uncover the details of another courtroom clash. The saga of Brian Naval unfolds with a contemptuous response to his sentencing. Naval, convicted for attempting an attack with a knife, entered the courtroom seemingly unprepared for the consequences of his actions. As the judge delivered his sentencing, Naval expressed disbelief and disagreement with audible protests. The judge, unrattled by the defiance, calmly warned Navel against disruptive behavior. Undeterred, Navel persisted, openly expressing his disdain and using offensive language in the courtroom. The judge, determined to maintain decorum, swiftly issued a 30-day contempt sentence. However, Navel's defiance escalated, leading to another 60-day contempt sentence consecutively. The courtroom atmosphere reflected the constant battle between maintaining order and confronting individuals who refused to acknowledge the consequences of their actions, highlighting the intricate dynamics within the justice system. 6. Karen's sanctions saga and courtroom meltdown. Transitioning to yet another courtroom saga, we delve into the peculiar case of a woman commonly referred to as Karen. This individual, embroiled in a stalking case, attempted to leverage the legal system for her own perceived grievances. Her courtroom experience turned into a spectacle as she continuously disrupted proceedings, displaying a flagrant disregard for decorum. As the judge patiently navigated through Karen's nonsensical claims and disruptive behavior, the tension in the courtroom escalated. The judge, unyielding in the pursuit of order, eventually sanctioned Karen with a fine of $500, deeming her actions frivolous and vexatious. Despite the judge's attempts to maintain control, Karen's defiance reached new heights. In a final act of disdain, she launched herself at the judge, resulting in her prompt removal from the courtroom. The incident shed light on the delicate balance between ensuring justice and contending with disruptive individuals within the legal realm. 7. Donna Casale's unsettling laughter at victim's family. Another chilling courtroom episode. Donna Casale's conduct during her daughter's trial for drunk driving and causing a fatality left an indelible mark on the proceedings. As the victim's family emotionally addressed the court, expressing the profound loss caused by Casale's daughter, an unsettling incident unfolded. In a shocking display of insensitivity, Donna Casale, the mother, began laughing at the grieving family. The judge, visibly appalled by this callous behavior, intervened promptly. The judge's stern rebuke echoed through the courtroom, condemning Casale for her disruptive and disrespectful actions. In response to this alarming behavior, the judge imposed a sentence of over 90 days in jail for criminal contempt, emphasizing that such contemptuous conduct would not be tolerated within the solemn walls of the courtroom. This disturbing incident shed light on the dire need for empathy and decorum in the face of tragedy within the confines of a court of law. 8. Dent her rights outburst and consequences. Let's delve into a different episode within the justice system. Dent her rights outburst during a murder trial added a layer of chaos to the proceedings. When confronted with the emotional statement of the victim's family, Dent her right, the defendant, responded callously, smirking and displaying a complete lack of remorse. The judge, witnessing this heartless behavior, issued a stern warning and threatened to revoke Wright's plea deal, opting for a more severe punishment if such disrespect persisted. The judge emphasized that the solemnity of the courtroom demanded a level of respect, especially when faced with the gravity of the charges. This courtroom clash shed light on the challenges faced by the justice system in maintaining order and decorum, underscoring the delicate balance between the rights of the accused and the need for a respectful and dignified legal process. 9. Burger King Lady's bizarre courtroom episode. Transitioning to the peculiar case of the Burger King lady, we find ourselves in a courtroom where normal proceedings take an unexpected turn. This woman, a restaurant owner, seemingly defies courtroom decorum during a hearing, refusing to take the oath as required by the judge. The judge, clearly taken aback, promptly educates her, emphasizing that the courtroom isn't a Burger King where she can have it her way. As the courtroom exchanges continue, tensions rise, and the Burger King lady's refusal to adhere to courtroom norms results in a stern response from the judge. In a surprising turn of events, she is slapped with a 93-day jail sentence for criminal contempt, highlighting the consequences of her disruptive and disrespectful behavior. This courtroom episode serves as a reminder that even in the realm of legal proceedings, certain standards must be upheld, and actions have repercussions. Dive into gripping courtroom dramas by subscribing to our channel for regular updates. Don't miss the legal intrigue. Subscribe now.